So we got Bellbird Park on the market, first open today, so it's been launched. We've had approximately, I think about 14, 15 groups through on the first open. 22 registered expressions of interest come through, which is pretty good for a first open. This place here, there was a little 2-bed, 1-bath upstairs, and we brought the kitchen and living areas downstairs and all the bedrooms upstairs, and so made it into 4-bed, 2-bath, which is quite a significant change. It's $230,000 to do that. We purchased right to make it work, and that's what we do with renovations. We start at the end price, what we think we can make at the end, like the sale price completed product, and then I subtract the turnaround costs, the stamp duty and all the entry costs coming in, the legals, and then the exit costs, which are the commissions for the agent. Our minimum margin, at least, we arrive at the price that we can buy it for, the most price. And I always start a little bit lower because we've got a little bit of negotiating space. The beauty about this one, with each property has to have some sort of upside to it, right? Not only the property itself, it's got to be in a decent area. This road isn't quite a street around, but it's okay. It's rural living. This is a big block. The upside of this is that it's a large block. People want to be here for the rural living, so we made sure it had some space, and we left this open so we could have people with caravans and big vehicles, and they could put a shed at the back. We didn't build one, of course, because they've got plenty of space here to put their double, triple bay garage. It's come up pretty good. We've had some interest. Hopefully we'll see it sold very soon. So anyway, here it is. This was complete, a dark, dingy place, all walls in here, open spaces, and Shell's brought the kitchen and all the living down here. Put the beam in, opened it all up, put the staircase. Remember, there was a spiral staircase here, ripped all that out. Brand new kitchen, island bench, toilet downstairs here, and a butler's pantry. So it's really high end for a suburb like this, but we've still done it within our budget. And you see this, it's all fully open plan, and I'll just go upstairs and show you. So all the bedroom space is upstairs now, whereas before the kitchen was in here. There was a door out that way to go downstairs, but this is the main bedroom. This is how you'd walk in before. Made this into a bedroom and an ensuite. 3 more bedrooms at the back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the main bath here. Can do it quite a lot. When you change the layout of the house, there's a lot of plastering. Plastering costs a lot. Plumbing, electrical add up significantly. The kitchens, bath are relatively the same cost no matter where you put them in the house, but reconfiguring the whole place. So moving things from upstairs to downstairs, it's all in the electrical, plumbing and the plastering. You might have some beams, a little bit of construction beams and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, that's where we're up to. Hopefully we'll have it sold in a couple of weeks.